Meet Plantmate G2, a smart automatic watering system for moisture-controlled care or scheduled watering across many plants. Your kit includes the controller, 2 sensors, 2 pumps, tubing, 2 halo rings, 6 support sticks, a USB PD 9-volt adapter, a USB-C cable, and the quick setup guide. Connect each white pump cable from a lower controller port to its pump. Place both pumps in clean water, then route the water tubing directly from each pump to its halo ring. Connect the black micro USB cables from the upper ports to the moisture sensors, and place each sensor close to its nozzle, inside the area that becomes wet. Connect the included USB-C cable and 9-volt adapter. On first start, join the Plantmate setup network, choose your home Wi-Fi, then open Plantmate.local. In sensor mode, each channel watches one plant. When the soil falls below its target, Plantmate waters, checks the moisture response, and protects each channel independently. In timer mode, one pump line can split to several pots. Keep branch length similar, balance every outlet, and supervise the first run. Timer mode does not measure each pot or detect an empty tank. The redesigned local dashboard shows moisture, watering status, plant profiles, calibration, history, schedules, manual pump tests, telegram options, and reset tools, without a cloud account. If you see water error, check the tank and tubing, then move the moisture sensor closer to the nozzle. To restart Wi-Fi setup, hold page before reconnecting power. For a full factory reset, use OLED Screen 10 or Web Settings. Plantmate G2, firmware version 5.0.1. 2 sensor zones, many plant timer mode, and clearer control for healthier plants.